How would I replace default Windows Explorer with an alternative one, say Q-Dir? I would like to remap existing shortcuts, right-clicks, etc. so Q-Dir is open instead of default Windows Explorer. Short of renaming Explorer.exe in Windows folder, are there any settings I need to look at? Maybe in registry somewhere.
Run regedit.exe, go to hk_local_machine /software/Microsoft/Windows NT/current version /winlogan. Find, shell, string and change value from explorer.exe on Q-Dir with full path, then reboot.
There is a program called Instant Sheller that can start programs instead of the Windows shell. It does essentially what Ratten's answer does in the registry, with a few more UI options. I use it to boot my HTPC software, hiding the Windows boot logo, login screen and Explorer. You can revert the changes by opening the application again and clicking undo.
While it's not a full Explorer replacement, I prefer just replacing the launch target of the Win+E shortcut following the approach for Windows 10/11 described here. This ensures the normal shell functionality, E.G, start menu, taskbar, system tray etc. is left untouched. For my portable version of Q-Dir, a registry file looks like this. Replace C column //users //username //downloads //Q-Dir portable //app //Q-Dir //Q-Dir_x64.exe with your Q-Dir installation path above, and use / to escape / correctly as shown. Then import the file into the registry E.g via double-clicking it in Explorer plus confirming the registry import. After that, Q-Dir will launch when Win+E is being pressed instead of Explorer.
There is a way. I discovered it recently. Steps. Open regedit. Go to hk_local_machine /software/classes/folder/shell/open/command. Inside that key, delete, delegate, execute and rename the default to the proper location of the file manager. Here is dolphin from KD in my case, like. The %1 is important for the arguments. This will. Every time you open a folder, it will open with dolphin at that location. PS, for dolphin there are more tweaks necessary since you will need to create star.desktop for shortcuts, and change the default location to default for the above to work. Also add at KF06925 answer so everything will be nice and smooth.